In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered. Check my video description for this site link. Download this mod manager or Strike, and to make the OSTrack run properly, you need to install this .NET 7.0 Desktop Runtime. And check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this suit. I'm gonna add this suit to the outfit section. Once you download the mod you like, right click on the strike and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Don't forget to install this Windows Desktop Runtime. Right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mod manager and press enter. Then drop all these files inside the mod manager folder. Open mod manager and open this ostrike.exe. Select add game. In profile name you can type whatever name you want. Browse, navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Select create option. Select the profile and create profiles option. To install mods, select this plus icon and go to downloads and select the mod we downloaded, rar file, and select open. Mod is successfully added. Select install mods option. Mod has successfully installed. If you want to disable, then uncheck and select install mod to disable. And if you want to add new mod, add more like same way and select this install mods option to enable in game. Now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and go to suits. Select the suit section and scroll down. You can able to see a new suit available. Select the new suit. This is the suit we added. The mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.